while I'm out here, I thought I'd take a look at my garlic. It's doing really well. I'm pretty pleased with how well. This is the grocery store garlic that I bought, you know, at the local store and planted. I have a little video about planting this. You know what? I don't think it's up yet. I think I forgot it was on the camera, so I'll post it up, and then so it'll be up the day before I do this one. Anyway, it's not ready to pick yet, but it's coming along. Some of the lower leaves are starting to die, and I don't want to let too many of them do that before I pick it. I planted onions in this same bed, but I didn't plant them until late. So there's some other garlic. The friend gave me some seed garlic, and see, it's not near as robust as the grocery store garlic was. But my little onions, I planted them really late, and so they're going to be very small this year, and they're nowhere near even big enough to pick for green ones yet. Okay, let's go in the house, and I'm going to cook the asparagus with our meal tonight. I'll show you what we're going to do.